Alrighty, so for this problem, guys, I'm going to be using my definition of molarity, which I will write out for you right now. So molarity equals the number of moles of solute, so what you're dissolving, moles of solute, divided by the volume of the entire solution, and that's in liters of the solution. Okay. So all of this problem is asking you to do is kind of plug and chug and then use your brain a tiny bit. So in this one it says calculate the mass of glucose in 105 milliliters of a sample that has a molarity of 1.02 molar. Alright, so the 1.02 is my molarity, so I'm going to put it right there, equals, now notice what I give you is volume, but I don't give it to you in liters. It needs to be in liters. So I'm going to go off to the side. If you can do this in your head, awesome. If you can't, that's fine. I'll show you right here. I'm in mils. I want to get to liters. So I'm going to put mils on bottom, liters up top, 1 and 10 to the third. So I get, when I divide, I get 0.105 liters. So I'm going to put the 0.105 liters on bottom. And I'm solving for my number of moles. And so what I'll do is multiply 1.02 by the 0.105 because I'm cross multiplying. So 1.02 times 0.105, and I get 0.1071 moles. Now, I'm not asking about moles. If I were, I would be done once I rounded correctly. Instead, what I'm asking for is the number of grams. So I need to crisscross swoosh. I'm going to get out of moles by putting moles on bottom. And I'm going to get into grams by putting grams up top. Now, grams per mole, I need to find my molar mass of glucose. Now, the molar mass of carbon is 12.01, so 12.01 times 6 plus the molar mass of hydrogen, which is 1.008 times 12, plus the molar mass of oxygen, which is 16 times 6, and you should get 180.156 all over 1 mole. Now you're going to take the 0.1071 and multiply it by the molar mass, and I get 19.2947076. If you look at the original problem, we've got 3 sig figs here, we've got 3 sig figs here, therefore my final answer needs 3 sig figs. So this is just going to be 19.3, because the 19.29 rounded to 19.3. My units are grams. That's all there is to it. So if I were to ask lab-wise what I needed to do, I would measure out 19.3 grams of glucose, and then I would add enough water so that my final volume of my entire solution is 105 mils. And that's it.